I'll show you how to work with audio in CapCut, adding music, enhancing your voice, and even sound effects. Everything about audio or music you'll learn in today's video. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your video sound as good as it actually looks. So let's get started. This is where we stopped in the last video on basic CapCut editing techniques. And this is the video we have. I've sorted and ordered the video properly. So now, the first thing we need to know when it comes to music or audio in CapCut is how to actually add music to CapCut. And I'm going to give you two categories of music in CapCut. If you come here to audio and click on sound, you can see we have brand music and other things, but let's just click on sound. We have two categories of audio. We have the inbuilt audio options from CapCut, like ones you can see right here. These are directly from CapCut. You can see the trending ones and things like that. Then we have the third-party audio, which is the one you download or you bring from like third-party apps, maybe songs that you see trending online. For instance, now, a song from your favorite artist and people you like listening to is not on CapCut. But you can get the song outside CapCut and bring it into CapCut. So I'm going to show you how to get that done today and everything. So now, the first category, which is very simple, we have a video here in regards to adding audio. Other thing I'm going to talk about is extracting audio and other things. First things first, adding music. First category, click on sounds. You let the music load. These are the trending sounds on CapCut currently. And if you don't like that, you can go to the category you want. You can check fitness or whatever. I'm just going to pick a random sound. Also, you can save your sound. You can see this logo right here. Click on it. And you can see, yeah, it says, my network is bad or something. Okay. But yeah, if you click on this, let me just cancel. If you click on this, it's just going to bookmark the song. You can uncheck also. So if I come down here to this last category, this is my bookmarked songs right here. And you can see I have songs saved already on my CapCut that I can use on my desktop and also on my phone. So let me just click on one of them for you. Yeah, so this is one of the songs I currently have on my CapCut. And yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to click on it. To add the song is very simple. Just just click on this plus button right here. Plus. And you can see now we have the song in the background. And I can just play it.
Okay, so this will be the first half marathon.
So yeah, that's it. So now we've added our music. This is how you add songs from CapCut into your timeline. So we have music. Also, we also have sound effects. Very, very important. All those punch sound effects, whoosh, and all those other things. You can also find it in CapCut. You can see here. We have sound in this first category. We have brand music, copyright, then sound effects. Just click on sound effects. And yeah, whatever ones you want, whoosh, whoosh, all those punch sound, you can just click on this place and search for it. You can see type in whoosh, applause, riser, ding, thunder, certain things people are searching for, pop. Yeah, so you can get everything here. It's very, very simple. The same way, just click on it and click on the download button that we have right here. And yeah, you have it. I have some saved. As you can see, my bookmark area, type in and other things. So that's the same way you can just add. Let me add what can I add? Or let me add speed. I'm just gonna click on it, download it, then yeah, add. So now I have two sounds in this video, particularly right now. I have the background music I added, which is this trailer, epic sound, impact countdown, blah, 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 and also heartbeat. So you can actually add like multiple sounds in one video. So that's the first category when it comes to working with audio in CapCut. All these things I'm adding right now, they're all inbuilt in CapCut. These are not third party. That's the second category. Third party basically means it is external, outside the original source. So all these all this audio I'm currently adding, they are inbuilt, they are CapCut owned, or maybe they are affiliate or whatever. But other music, those trending music we all listen to on Spotify and Apple Music, I'm going to show you how you can also get those ones and bring them into CapCut. Very simple. So that's it. Just the same thing. Like last video, you can trim it or cut it. I'm just going to trim it, drag it, or cut, just click on split, and you're good. So let's just trim it. Yeah. One final thing before we go, which is very, very nice. I didn't mention. Click on the music. Let me show you. It's called fade. So you know how music fades in and fades out. Just drag it a bit to, let's say, 1 second.
Okay,
So yeah,
so
the music fades
this will
out.
be the first half.
At the end, you can see it's here. You can see zoom in. You can see it's fading out. Yeah, you can see it starts to fade out. So that is right there. The music starts to fade out. It's a very, very good way for you to close your audio. The same thing with this one I have. I'm just going to click on it and click fade. You can make it fade out or fade in,
Okay,
whichever
so
one. It's fine.
This will be the first half marathon.
Choice. Like I said, we'll explore more on this later.
Okay,
So yeah,
so
we have
this will be the
fade in.
first.
We also have fade out. You can see it right here. The music fades out, so it doesn't just end abruptly. So that's it with our inbuilt sounds from CapCut using sound effects, using background music. So now, secondly, a volume adjustment. In this video, I'm saying something. I touched on it a bit in the previous video, but now I'm going to expand more on it. I'm going to click on my art bit and I'm going to bring the volume down a bit because it's a bit loud. I'm going to bring it down to 20. No, let's do 25. The same for my background music also, volume. I'm going to bring it down to 30.
Okay, so
Yes. Because this video that I'm currently working on, I said some things I like in the video, so I want to actually work with the audio. So now I'm going to watch something called, guys, in case you're confused, I'm still going to talk about how to bring in third-party audios into CapCut. So I'm just taking this side mission here just to explore other things. But yeah, I've not forgotten that. I have my volume here. Remember, reduce noise. I'm just going to come here, click on reduce noise, activated, good. Now, this video, I was talking here,
okay, so
but I want the
this
audio to continue in other video. Remember, this video is longer than this. I trimmed it to 3 seconds. So I'm going to do something called audio extraction. There are audio extraction for two different things. This is just one of it. I'm going to explain audio extraction later for how to get audio from videos. But this is just how you do it on CapCut inbuilt. I'm going to explain it for other things later. Yeah. So I'm going to extract the audio from this particular video now, and I'm going to drag the audio across the rest of the video. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to click on the video. I'm just going to scroll down right here, and I'm going to look for, we have isolate voice. I'll talk about that one later. I'm going to just scroll, and you see extract audio, and that's what we need. You can see here, extract audio. And the reason why I need to extract the audio is because I want the audio to play underneath the other clips. I'm just going to click on extract audio. Now I've extracted the audio, as you can see. I'm just going to drag it all the way, all through the remaining clips, all to the end. And like the same thing, I'm just going to add fade. And yeah, let's say fade out. So let's say like 1 minute, 1.5 in here. 1.5 is fine.
okay, so
So yeah. So you can see my audio will keep playing even
I
in
woke
this
up this
entire
morning.
area. The
I
audio
had
is still
plan for
playing. But yeah, one thing, because I need to mute this, click on this button that says mute, click on it. And the reason is because all these other videos, they also have audio. And I don't want the audio here to interfere with the one underneath, which is the main audio I want. So right now, I'm just going to come and click on it again. I remember I mentioned isolate voice. One thing that is unique about isolate voice is this. Isolate voice is different from reduce noise. CapCut will use its AI feature when you click isolate voice to keep only the human voice. No clapping, no car, no dog barking, nothing. The only thing it recognizes is human voice. So when you click on isolate voice and you click on keep voice, not remove voice, because you can also remove voice. Let's say you have a music or whatever, you can separate the music from the beats. I use that a lot of time. So I can just keep on keep voice, click on it, it applies, done. And once that is done, the voice just keeps playing underneath. And that's it. So that's how you apply isolate voice and what extract audio. So yeah, this is done. If you notice, we have three levels of audio now. We have my extracted audio, which is from my video. We have the sound effects, art beats. We have the background music, which is just thriller, epic, and everything. So yeah, everything is going well currently. And now, the next thing I'm now going to talk about is enhancing audio. Let's assume this audio is bad. It's not good. It's like a bad quality audio, and you've done voice isolation, but the audio quality is still bad. You've done reduce noise, the audio quality is still bad. There's a feature called enhance voice. Yes. So AI will automatically just enhance your voice for you and fill in the gaps and things like that. So you can just click on it and you can see you activate it. But the audio I have in this video is perfect. I don't need to fix it. But yeah, that's just a feature you need to know when it comes to audio. Remember, we're talking about working with audio in CapCut. If you're confused or you're not sure about anything, let me know in the comments or reach out to me privately and yeah, I'll let you know. I'll make corrections and clear your confusions. So yeah, that is that when it comes to enhancing voice. The audio is like absolutely terrible, or you don't like the sound quality, you want it to have that professional studio quality, just click on enhance voice. It gives your audio that professional studio quality style. So like there's no echo, there's no bad sound. Like this video you're watching currently, I used Ian's voice, like Ian's voice rather. Yes, I used it. So the audio sounds very, very clear and crisp. So yeah, something you should definitely try. Now, back to the one I was talking about before. I've shown you how to use inbuilt sound or audio in CapCut. I showed you all these songs we have right here. These are all inbuilt sound effects and the rest. I showed you how to make them work. Now, I said I'm going to show you also how to get third-party audio, all those trending songs you sing, but they're not in CapCut, or even extract song or audio from videos, which I showed briefly here, but this video is already in CapCut. So how can you extract audio from like videos that are not in CapCut? So let's say you're watching TikTok and you saw this meme you like, and you want to use what's it called? The sound from that meme. All you just need to do is download the video on your mobile phone. Once the video is on your mobile phone, simple. And I'm going to show you what to do now. Can you see this feature that says extract? Yeah, you click on it. Now you select whatever you want. So I have a video I actually like. I went to like a gospel house concert. I'm going to click on this video and I'm going to click on add. So now it's going to take the song in this particular video and extract it. So let's assume this was a video I got from TikTok or wherever. Simple. You can see? Yeah, now I have the audio here. So if you see a meme or you see like all these motivational quotes or motivational sound you like on TikTok, on YouTube or Instagram or wherever, and you want to use it in your video, just download the video, come to CapCut, and just use this extract option. Then take out the what's it called, the audio from the video, and that's how that one works. Similar to what we had here. So yeah, but remember, this one is in CapCut, that one is outside CapCut. So I wanted to just share that with us. But yeah, I don't need the audio. Okay, let me just drag it to the end. But I actually don't need it right now for this one. Let me just drag it here. So how did I drag it? I just held it down and yeah, it was just hold it down and you just drag it wherever you want to drag it to. It's very simple. Yeah, nothing too much, nothing too fancy about that one. So still on working with audio, a quick recap. I've spoken about how to add music, first party music, like which is music inbuilt in CapCut, which is like this one I have here. Also, sound effects. I've spoken about that. I've spoken about how to extract audio from the videos you already have on your timeline. Also, how to enhance voice. I've spoken about that. And also voice isolation. How to make sure the only thing you have in your video is human voice only. You don't have any goats bleating in the background or any dog barking in the background. If it's not human voice, CapCut's not go, it's not going to pick it. I've spoken about that also. And I also spoke about how to extract video from audio or videos outside of CapCut. Let's say you see a meme you like where someone is saying gotcha, all those meme you like. Don't worry, download the video on your phone and yeah, you can extract it into CapCut. Now, similarly, let's say you have a music trending in the world you like. You can do the same thing, screen record it or download the music on your phone and come to sound. And you can see this file folder right here. This file folder, you click on it and it says what extract audio from video, which is what we did already, which what I just showed you. So you can see this 8-second audio right here. You can even see the date. Today is 2025 August 16. So yeah, this is the audio I just extracted. This is it right here. So this is it. You can see the same date. So yeah, whenever you extract your audio from a video, CapCut saves it right here in sound. So this is how to extract audio from video. But let's assume the audio is actually an MP3. You come to device right here and you can see select from device. So these are audios or music that I've actually brought in. I downloaded on, let's say, Mixkit, Pixabay, or wherever I get my music from. Maybe I like the songs they have, and I just bring them into CapCut. So I have this Forest Frank song right here and things like that. So yeah, just download the music, the MP3 on your phone, come to the device and select from device. I'm just going to click on this, and you can see it takes me to my file, and I'm just going to select whatever sound I want to work with, and it's that simple. So yeah, that's how you bring in third-party music into CapCut also. And if you have iTunes connected, you can just bring that in, not now. So yeah, that is it when it comes to working with audio. Third party audio, first or second party audio directly from CapCut, sound effects, volume adjustment. I've spoken about that. If you want to adjust the volume, very simple, click on it. You can bring it down, whatever. Yeah, but never exceed 160, guys, because you don't want to like destroy it, except maybe
Okay,
the
so
audio is absolutely,
this will
absolutely,
be the first
absolutely
half
terrible,
marathon.
or just completely down. Yeah, just keep it simple. 100 is fine. Don't worry. People would hear.
Okay, so this will be the first half marathon. I woke up this morning. I had planned for 10K. Then this guy here said, let's go 15. Then we got to 8K. And I was like, you know what? Today's the day. So now, yeah, we just finished 11. Now we're going back home. So today will be the first time we are doing the half marathon, both of us. What was I saying? If you want to go fast, to go alone. But if you want to go far, go with somebody. Because it was left to me, yeah?
You've made it this far, so don't just stop here. Continue with this playlist and learn as much as possible about CapCut, or check out other interesting videos on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.